Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. Today I will talk about the element which is interact on the web page. So I will talk about checkbox, and I have already explained about the input and radio button, how to handle in the Playwright in my previous video. If you haven't watched my previous video, please go ahead and watch it. And if you are new on my channel, please share, subscribe and like and hit the notification bell so you will get the new videos. So let's get started. So checkbox, this is the official website of Playwright, playwright.dev, and you can see here the action, whatever the action we perform during the testing time, that is called the action, like whatever the perform, like click, mouse click, or just select the radio button or drop down. So these all comes under the action, and we will talk about the checkbox. So let's open the Visual Studio Code and create one file here. You can select here, or you can select this icon, new file. So if I will select this and give the name of checkbox dot spec.js. spec.js is an extension. So if you are giving any file name, but you need to specify like the extension .spec.js, or if you are working on TypeScript, so you have to give the extension of the TypeScript. So I'm just working with the JavaScript, that's why I'm giving the .js, and enter. As soon as I entered, you can see this file is open here, and you can see some statement you can enter and it's completely gone. Now you can write your own code. So I have already explained this input box, so I will take few codes from this file, Control C, and paste it here. Let me fix it. Enter, and then this. Okay, now it's fixed. And now I'm going to close this. So this is very simple code. I have imported here the package Playwright test, and after that write the test. So once I write the test here, and now I'm going to change the module name. I have everything explained in my previous video. Please, I will suggest you go and watch it, so you will able to understand what exactly I'm just talking about. So this is a test, and I'm giving the module name. So you can give any module name. I'm just giving the checkbox hyphen or checkbox hyphen page, and this is a asynchronous, and this website I want to navigate. So this is very simple test which is open here already. I'm just talking about this website. So today I'm just talking about the checkbox. So you can see checkbox. So checkbox, we can select multiple checkboxes at the same time. You can see I'm able to select all the checkboxes at the same time. But if we talk about the radio button, you can see here the gender, male and female. We can select only one radio button at a time. But if we talk about the checkboxes, so we can select the multiple checkboxes at the same time. So just if I am going to select the, let me go with the single checkbox. So suppose I will select the Tuesday. Right click. First we will find the locator. So right click, click on inspect, and it will open the dev tool. Now we can see here class ID, type check, value Tuesday. So let me Control F, find the unique element on this checkbox. So I will go with the XPath. So let me write the XPath here, backslash, because it's an input. So let me write the input, and I can see the ID. So ID is equal to ID is equal to Tuesday. Tuesday, and I can see type is equal to checkbox, and type is equal to let me copy this, copy and paste it here, and now, so you can see one of one, it's a unique element of this checkbox. So let me copy here, Control C, and I will write here the page dot locator, because I have locator for this checkbox. So I can write down here and just paste it here. So paste and then use, because it's already checked, check Tuesday's check. So I'm showing only the single checkbox, how we can handle the single checkbox. So Tuesday, I have already selected the Tuesday, so it's already checked. So one method I will write here, which is dot, and you can see here check. So check, we can write the check method or check function. Now this is the first approach. First we will find the locator and then use the check function. So page.locator and then and write the check function. Now before we will write the await keyword, and this is the first approach. We can handle the single checkbox. Or the second approach, what we need to do, page dot, and directly we can write the check function, and inside this check function we can write the locator, which we found in this. So Control C and just paste it here, Control V. So we can use either one, like first we will write the locator and then use the check method or check function, or we can directly use the page.check function, and inside this check function we can write the locator. So either one approach you can use it. And await keyword. So first I will go with the I will go with the first approach. So let me execute, and first I have to close this one application and just execute. First we need to new terminal, we need to save it, and npx playwright. I'm just giving the command npx playwright test and write the complete file name checkbox .spec.js, and I want to see in the headed mode because by default Playwright is always in headless mode. So to see the application open on the browser, what we need to do here, we can give the space hyphen headed mode and enter. It's executing and it will take a couple of seconds, and now you can see here the application is opened, and now it's closed because I did not use the time, wait for timeout. So let me write the first page dot wait for timeout. So 5000 millisecond, and it should be await. We have to write the await for the promise. Now again I'm executing this command, Control C. This command I want to copy and paste in the new terminal, Control V and enter. Let's see, just executing, and okay, it is executing in all the browser like Chromium, Firefox and WebKit. So that's why you can see, where is it open? It's not open here. Let me again Control C and Control V. Let's see. It is opening in wait timeout second. Suppose I'm just changing into 8000 second. Okay, so it is not waiting because I did not save this file before. So Control S, and now give the same command, Control C in the new terminal, Control V and enter. It is executing in all the browser because you can see here Tuesday is selected, and now it's generated. Playwright generated the report, Control C, and we can see the report, enter, and it's opened. You can see here it's generated the report in Chromium, Firefox and WebKit. if you want to see in the WebKit, we can see here the test steps and expand. It's going in this URL. Check this locator and wait for this much second, and then all tests are passed. So, and now I'm going to validate that suppose okay, I closed it. Okay, let me open this URL again, like this application, Control C, and provide this URL and open the application. So we have already it was already selected the Tuesday, and now it's closed because we gave the 5000 millisecond only. It should be wait, and after that it will close. Now if I want to validate that, like I will select the Monday, and suppose I will select the Wednesday, suppose, and I will select the Tuesday. So let me write the assertion for this. So first we need to check the locator. So locator, let me select the Wednesday. So ID is this, Wednesday, class is this, type checkbox, and value Wednesday. So Control F, right here the XPath, like /, and then it's an input ID. I'm just going to take the ID, and ID is Wednesday. We can see here ID is Wednesday, and let me copy. So is equal to Control V, Wednesday, and type is equal to checkbox. So we need to select the checkbox as well and paste it here, Control V, and close it. You can see here it's 1 of 1. It's a unique element of this checkbox. So let me copy, Control C, and just start the, I have selected 2, like Tuesday and Wednesday. So let me write it here, the assertion. So for assertion, what we need to do, we need to write the expect, and directly we can provide the locator, the await page.locator, this line of code we can completely provide. Control C, Control V, and dot to be checked, because it's already checked Tuesday and Wednesday. So to be checked. This is for Tuesday because I have already selected the Tuesday, and now checked check function and after that I will this is the checked, and let me copy this one and write the next assertion, Control C. So you can understand this is a first I will explain you once I will complete, and I will explain you what exactly I'm doing it here. First, always we will write the expect for assertion. Start with the assertion. We will write the expect and provide the locate value here, attribute and value or variable name. So now I'm just writing directly this line of code inside this assertion and to be checked. And I'm saying here like the checkbox is already checked. This function I'm using it here, which is true. Now again Control V, the same line of code I'm just copied and paste it here for the another assertion, which is it's already checked, but now I'm checking here, is it true or not? For that, what we need to do, we will write to be trusty function. That means this locator is already checked. Is it true? So that assertion I'm using here, it's true. And now the next one, Wednesday. So I have already selected. Okay, so this one we need to copy, Control C, and right here expect and Control V, paste it here. This is for the Wednesday because I have already selected the Wednesday as well. And now is checked now we need to write here await page dot and locator and close this one. Close it. So that means I'm writing here the assertion in one line, like wait. Here I'm just passing the locator and then check is checked, is checked. So this element is checked, and now I am writing here to be falsy. Not the small, it's a caps, falsy method. That means is it check that is false, means to here Wednesday is already checked, but in this assertion it is saying that it is false, it's not checked. Is checked, which is false. So that means So Wednesday is not checked. So let me execute and see the exactly the output. So I will copy Control C and use the new terminal in B and just to paste it, and let's see. It is executing and now it's open the OK. So you can see here. Okay, let me open the Control C. So let me open the first report and then I will explain. Okay, Control V and just space hyphen port is equal to change the port number, suppose 3006. So I'm just providing the different port number, and you can see here all tests are passed, and open this and okay, let me first Control S, and then again, because every time whenever you change any code of line, like a line of code, so you have to be safe, because if you will not save, it will not reflect in your execution time. Control V. So whenever you will change anything in the code, you need to be save the file. So it's taking time. Okay, let me WebKit, you can see here, so we can check on the WebKit. Tuesday is selected, Wednesday is not, and let me check it. Page locator, check Tuesday. Okay, let me check in the here it is. Okay, let me check Firefox is failed to passed. Okay, so yes, it should be fail. It's a hard assertion, it's not a soft assertion, so it will not pass each and every I mean, this is the all the assertion, it will not go and pass it. If it fail any assertion, it will stop immediately the program. So the last one is failed, so that's why two assertion got passed, but this is not passed, because if it is checked, so how it become false. It should be trusty, it should not be falsy. So that's why this I got this assertion failed. If I'll be comment this line of code and Control S and now execute and provide this Control C in the new terminal, like here, Control V and enter, and we can see here it will open in all the browser, Chromium, Firefox. Okay, all the test got failed. Tuesday, locator, trusty, to be checked, and this is not to be. Okay, this is the error. Okay, and now we can see checked, passed, to be checked, trust is passed, and now to be checked. Okay. So let me see. Now I'm just going to Control S, save it, because now I line number 12 uncommented. So, and try to execute the same command on the new terminal. npx playwright test checkbox.spec.js, Control C, and let me Control V and just execute this command in the terminal, and we can see here it's a okay. Now we can see all tests got failed. Now let me close it and just check the issue behind. Let me trust en. Okay, so now I will to be checked, Tuesday checked, and then okay, and what is the error? Checkbox, and to be okay, it's false. To be no, it should not to be, it should be is checked, just like okay, now it's here I'm doing mistake, dot is checked, and now to be okay. Now Control S and just provide the same command. Let me Control C and Control V. Now it is going to execute. Now WebKit and everywhere, like all the browser, and we can see it's generated the failed report. So test was failing. What we need to do here, let me open this site first. Control C and here paste it. Control V, enter. So first we can inspect the locator. Let me see, we have locator of this. Okay, so we have locator for the day of Wednesday. So what we need to do here first, just like here we have already specified the locator and then check method. So what we need to do here, first we will write the locator. So for locator we will use await page dot locator and specify the locator of Wednesday. So I'm going in copy here to here, Control C, and paste it here. Now what we need to do here is write the wait for. So it will wait for let me close this, dot and wait for method. So it will wait for the locator and then it will check. Let me just first write the wait for method, and as you can see here, first just like the Tuesday, first we need to locator specify the locator and then use the check function, and after that I'm validating that Wednesday is to be checked or not. So, or that Tuesday is checked or not, Tuesday is checked, or is it true or not. So just like the Tuesday, I will specify the Wednesday as well. So first I'm writing here the locator, page.locator, and specify the locator in this round bracket, and after that use the wait for method. So it will wait for this locator, and then after it will validate this is checked, is it false. So let me execute this code and see the output. So first what we need to do, we need to save this code and write npx command in the terminal, npx playwright test, and then checkbox.js, and I want to see in the headed mode. By default Playwright is always in headless mode, so we cannot see the UI. So we can change in the headed mode. So after that we are able to see the application. So space hyphen and headed, and here we need to specify the, if you want to specify the browser, you can specify the browser. Let me space hyphen project is equal to, if you want to see in the Firefox or WebKit or Chromium, you can specify. So I'm just write the Chromium and enter. Let's see the output. So it is checked, Tuesday is checked, and we can see here test is pass showing, and this is the report it's generated, Playwright generated. Control C, and now paste it here, enter to see. Okay, I'm getting the port error. For that, just change the port number. So space hyphen port is equal to provide the different port number. So I'm just providing here, suppose 3000, enter, and it's opened. You can see here it's open in the Chromium, because here you can see hyphen project is equal to Chromium. So I'm specify only the this should open in the Chromium. If I will not specify here any browser, so it will open in the Firefox, WebKit and Chromium. So but now I'm specify here only the Chromium, so that's why it's opened in the Chromium. Let me, where it was open, let's generate the report here. Yeah, so you can see, double click here and see the test steps. you can see here, navigate it on this URL, check the locator for Tuesday, page wait for, or if you want you can expand and see the exact the locator and wait for this much millisecond, and after that see the assertion expect to be checked, and you can see the code here for the Tuesday, and then to be trusty and falsy. So we are able to see all the steps, test steps here, and you can see here passed 1 because it's open in the Chromium. If it is like Firefox and WebKit, it will show here passed 3. So I'll just show you. Suppose I'm writing, I'm just copying till here, Control C, and open the new terminal and provide the command, but I'm not specify here like which browser I want to open it. So it will open in 3 of browser like Chromium, Firefox and WebKit. Let me execute and you will see the output. And okay, I did not, okay, so I think, okay, it's open. See, you can see 3 passed, means it is passed in all the browser. And now I'm able to see the report because Playwright already generated the report. Whether it is pass or fail, you can see here. And space hyphen change the port number because for safe side. So suppose 3001, I'm just giving the port number, so it will open it, and this is the latest one. So let me close all these. Okay, so see, you can see here pass 3, and it will generate it on the report in the Chromium, Firefox and WebKit, because here I did not specify which browser I want to see. So that's why it's open in all the browser. Like, so if you want to check in the Firefox, double click and you can check and expand and see the code here. So in this way you can check the single checkbox or where is that? Okay, so you can see this is check or not. So in this way you can check in the checkbox. Suppose we want to check the multiple checkboxes, so how we can do that? So first, suppose I have, let me close this one, I have this application, and if I want to check the Monday, then Saturday, Tuesday and Saturday. So let me take the locator of these checkboxes. So I have already Monday and I think Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesday I have locator. Or you can want to Monday if you want it, but I have it, so I just take only the Saturday. So right click, inspect, and you can see in the dev tool Saturday. This is the Saturday. We can see here the class and ID. For that we need to write the XPath. For Control F it will open the, or you can right click and copy the XPath, or you can, if you have selector hub, you can just go and select the selector hub with XPath CSS. So you can see, copy XPath, and let me show you in the notepad. You can see Control and V, and this is also the XPath, you can take it and use it in your Visual Studio Code. So I'm writing here my own XPath. So how we can do that? So this is the Saturday. So now backslash, and then it's an input, and I'm just going to take the ID for that. ID is equal to Saturday, and type is equal to checkbox. Let me copy and Control V, paste it here. So it's showing 1 of 1, means it's unique locator of this element, like this checkbox Saturday. So copy, Control C, and just. So now I'm going to I have to write here. Let me give you the single checkboxes box, and now I'm going to write the. So this is a single checkbox we can achieve in the Playwright. I will show you the multiple checkboxes in the Playwright in next session. And if you like my video, please subscribe, share and like, and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any latest video. And for meantime, you have to keep practice. And if you have any question or query, please comment, write in the comment section. I will definitely respond you. And thanks for watching.